What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Alright, y'all, so as you can tell by the title, we have another handbag unboxing. Yay, we're so excited. So I do want to address a few things before we get into this video. One, I already opened the box. Because to be honest, y'all, to my surprise, I didn't know it was, I thought it was shoes in the box. I thought it was shoes in the box because that's what was supposed to be coming next. It was the handbag. I actually had canceled the order because it was taking like a really long time for them to send it. And I kept calling like, yo, are y'all going to send it? And after about a week and a half, I was like, just keep it. Don't worry about it. I would like to cancel it. So they was like, okay, fine. They had never given me my money back, but I figured, oh, it could take like a couple days to get your money back, whatever. Sure enough, I checked the mail, opened this up thinking it was shoes, and it is the handbag. So that is why it's unboxed. Now, I was going to like tape it back up, but I don't know if y'all seen my Marc Jacobs video, my Marc Jacobs unboxing, my Snapchat. Y'all, I had so much trouble trying to get that goddamn box open. So instead of me struggling to try to get a box open, I just decided to leave it open and we just go pull it out, okay? Two, I've had this handbag before. I'm not unboxing the same exact handbag. It is a different color. And that is because I sold my previous Pillow Tabby in chalk. Why did I sell my Pillow Tabby in chalk? Y'all, because I bought it in chalk. Okay, that's why. The leather, like soft leather and chalk just does not go well. Like, it did not go well for me. It did not fit my lifestyle. Like, I had to like baby the bag essentially, and she's not into babying bags, girl. Like, that ain't never been her thing. Like, sometimes I'm just gonna throw it around. That's not the type of bag that you can just throw around. It will get dirty. Transfer from your jeans, just like the whole nine. And to be honest, I felt like I was constantly checking to see whether or not like there was a mark here, a mark there. I'm constantly trying to clean it and stuff like that. So I was like, look, it's a no, okay? After I sold it, I wanted to get the green. Green was sold out, had been sold out for a little minute. Excuse me, y'all, I'm sorry. Green was sold out, had been sold out for a little minute. So I was like, you know what? I'll just get the black. Hence we are today. But then I had canceled it because I was like, y'all, it's taking too long. I'm just not going to worry about it. Maybe that bag wasn't meant for me. It must have been meant. It must have been meant to be, girl. Because this bag ain't never tracked. It ain't ever tracked. But yet and still we here. So I did order it from Dillard's, of course, as y'all can see. And I also ordered this as well, which is just like a belt. So it's just this Ralph Lauren belt with this little charm on it. Let me step up for y'all. Okay, mommy's coming. Y'all hear Angel? He said he want to get out. Okay, so yeah, just a little nice black Ralph Lauren belt, okay? I might have to get like another hole punched in it, but yeah. So I ordered this belt, and the belt was on sale for, the belt was, it says the belt was $38. I could have sworn I paid, maybe I did pay about that much for y'all. I don't know, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. So this is the belt, yes, $38 here, outfit. So I have this pink sweater is from Tesco, because y'all know I love shopping for my clothes at the grocery store, okay? These pants are H&M. My shoes are Mango, okay? Y'all have seen these before too. And then today I had on my Ted Baker bag, okay? And we are cute. Also, in case y'all have not noticed, I did go ahead and cut this wig into like a more like blunt cut, and I love it like this, y'all. I think it is so cute, so fresh, just so chic, you know. So I did cut the wig, and no, I didn't record it, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not record it. But real quick, I'll show y'all how I did it. I just did this, snip, 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 and then I layered down in the front, and then that's how we got the style, y'all. When I tell you it took me 15 minutes to cut this wig, 15 minutes to cut the wig. Quick and easy, okay? So Tesco H&M Mango Ted Baker bag. And we're giving real, real fun in the sun, spring, but fall vibes. And I love it, okay? So back to the unboxing. So I could have sworn the last one came in like more than just this, like just the bag, but this is, we was just wrapped in this and in the bag. So let's see. Okay, so the belt was $38 and then the bag was $4.95. Now, I was going to order the bag from the Coach store here, but girl, it was a lot more expensive. I think I said this in the last video too. It was a lot more expensive, like $200 more expensive. So I ordered it from Dillard's because I know that Dillard's ship here. So yeah. So here it is in the black. And of course, obviously, like the leather is still the same, but it's not chalk. So, I don't have to worry about it like rubbing up against my jeans and having transfer and stuff like that. Like, I still get that it's soft leather, so I need to be mindful of that, but at least it's not soft leather and getting, like transferred on it. At least we don't have both, okay? So there is a little mark on the back. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but there's a little mark right there, but that's not that big of a deal to me. So we'll go ahead and open her up. And in the, y'all see, this is shouldn't there be like paper or something in the inside? There's no paper in the inside. And this should have been like attached to it, and it's not. So I'm thinking that maybe this is a bag that was returned and then they sent it to me. But what I will say is the bag seems like it's in decent condition. It is missing the paper that should be in the inside. It's also missing, like I said, this should be attached and it's not. But the dust bag is in here and it has all of the compartments and it has the tag. So I'm not really going to make that big of a deal of it. The bag looks like it's in decent condition, but it was definitely packaged real ghetto-like. So, I'm looking at you funny, Dillard's. Anyway, the bag looked good though. I'm not the biggest fan of how puffy the bag is. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm really, really not. Like, this bag is puffy as hell, and I get it's a pillow tabby. It's supposed to mimic a pillow, but I like the bag. I like the bag though. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it in the black. So yeah, and it actually looks good with what I have on right now. Like, it looks great. Like, we could wear this bag today. Like, if you don't want to be color and you want to be more relaxed, like, yeah, girl, let's go. I'm sorry if I keep looking this way, y'all. The monitor's right there, and I'm trying to see how it looks. But yeah, so, and this is the 26. This is the Coach Pillow Tabby 26, obviously not the 18. I did look into the 18 and I thought about getting that one. However, it's really small and I actually don't even think it would fit my phone. And if you can't fit my phone, I'm not buying no damn bag that can't fit my phone, y'all. I'm just not. I feel like that's pointless, okay? You need to be able to fit 4 things. My phone, my keys, my lotion, and hand sanitizer, and a pen. So 5. You gotta be able to fit those 5 things. If you can't fit those 5 things, then you cannot come home with me, okay? Phone, wait, what did I say? My phone, my keys, my card holder, phone, keys, card holder, lotion, and sanitizer, and a pen. So that's 6 things. That's pretty much what's in all my bags. Every once in a while, it may be a little different. May throw a little 1, 2, something in there. But those 6 things mainly have to come with me everywhere. And if you can't fit those 6 things, you cannot come home with us, okay? So yes, Pillow Tabby, black, really cute, okay? Although we have been focusing more on color, we do want to still have our, because look at this. This looks great. Tell me this doesn't give it gives something. I don't know what it is that is giving, but it's giving. It's giving something. That's what I want y'all to comment down below. Comment down below and tell me what it's giving. Because I can't pinpoint it, but this outfit, this bag, it's giving something. What is it giving? Is it giving taxi, or is it giving picking the kids up from school, or is it giving like drinks? Like, I don't know what it's giving, y'all, but it's comment down below and comment down below and be like, sis, it's giving that, you know, boom, tell me. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Okay, hold on. Can y'all see the little scrape on the back? It's like right there. Y'all can kind of see it. But anyway, we're gonna keep it though. It's good enough for us. We're not too picky, okay? I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are picking up what I am putting down. Okay? I have my water because I'm thirsty. Can I take a sip? I'm gonna keep that in there too. Follow me on Instagram at angelleslife. And I will see y'all in the next video.